2C1 says machine A and machine B are two different coin pressing machines that operate at the same time. The probability that a machine presses a 5 Rand coin is 0.4, or machine A presses a 5 Rand coin is 0.4, and the probability that machine B presses a 5 Rand coin is 0.3. The probability that the machine both presses 5 Rand coins at the same time is 0.1. So here we have 0.4 and we have 0.3 and 0.1. And we're supposed to fill in the values of P, X, Q, and R. So thing to note here is that the probability that machine A presses a 5 Rand coin is 0.4. So probability that machine A is 0.4. And then the probability that machine B, machine B presses, let me turn this off. Machine B presses a 5 Rand coin is 0.3, and the probability that the machine presses both 5 Rand coins at the same time is 0.1. So the probability of A and B both pressing 5 Rand coins will be 0.1. So if we look at it here, this entire circle represents the probability of A, and then this entire circle on the other side represents the probability of B. And most people get confused, such as in this question they tell us that the probability that machine A presses 5 Rand coin is 0.4. You would want to put 0.4 over here, but that's not the case. What we put here is the A only, but this entire pink circle represents the probability of pressing machine A pressing a 5 Rand coin, basically. So we have to counter for the values where they intersect. In this case, they tell us that the probability of both machines pressing 5 Rand coins at the same time is 0.1. So once we put the 0.1 here, we are certain that this one belongs in the middle because it's the probability of both of these machines doing the same thing. Yeah, so then from this, we can now calculate a probability of A only, which will be 0.4 minus 0.1, which will give us 0.3. And then for B, it will be 0.3 minus 0.1 gives us 0.2. Because now if we add this entire circle, we get 0.4, which is true to the information we given here. I mean, for the pink circle, it will be 0.4. For the B, it will be 0.3, which is in line with the information given. So the value of P in this case will be 0.3. Then the value of X will be equal to 0.1. The value of Q will be equal to 0.2. And then outside, we know inside everything inside this rectangle, or everything within this everything within this sample space basically should sum up to 1. So all the probabilities inside here should sum up to 1. 0.3 plus 0.2 is 0.5 plus 0.1, that's 0.6. That means in order to get to 1, 0.4 lies outside. So this 0.4 is the probability of pressing maybe other types of coins, but in this case, we are only dealing with the probabilities of pressing a 5 Rand coin. So everything that's not within this circle, not within these circles, lies outside. So in that case, R would be 0.4.